Okay, this video is going to be about the Patticake. Yes, Patticake. No, just forget about that one. Okay. No bacon. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to actually go right into this, but we're going to take it from a two-hand hold position, and you're going to see, ladies, there's a little bit of free spinning involved. So we're going to take it from these two angles, okay, and go around the floor a little bit for you. So from here, we're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Nice. So you see how I'm passing, gentlemen, positioning myself with this pattern, okay? And I'll get on the inside of the rail, so it stays on the track. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Yes? Now, when we're in this position, we're not coming towards you on this, we're going to kind of go in the circular action. So depending on your space, you may not be going in a straight line. You may end up just kind of going in a circular action with these patterns. Not just this one, but others. So we're going to show you that, okay?
Which, it's good to practice the circular as well, because when you get on the floor, obviously two-step is a circle.
Right, so you're going to actually go around the floor big time. You're going to have straightaways, you're going to have curves, you're going to practice it both ways. Go around your island, hey. You know? So here we go. We're going to take it from over here in the corner. All right. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. So I end up slightly ahead of her, 90-degree angle. Okay? Again, for one more information, you got to go to your private lesson style videos. All right? So here we go from this angle. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Yes. So remember, position is about the gentleman, the leaders, actually positioning themselves with the follower. You maintain the track, ladies, until he actually positions. Don't worry about that. That's his job. All right, not yours. So go have fun. Again, if you need more detail, go to the private lesson style videos. Those will work out well for you. So practice, have fun, and then come on back.